up? Welcome to the Elgato Gaming unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing this baby, the Elgato. And this is where we'll record our gaming with, 1080 HP. Yeah. Highest quality on the internet. $170, Elgato.com. So I'm going to start first. We've already tried and opened it a little bit, so it's not going to be that hard. Very intellectual approach.
Okay, while he's doing that, I just want to say that we're gonna be doing another video game.
Here we go,
video in
a package inside of a package.
Oh, it's a package.
Look! It's a package inside of a package.
Oh no way, dude! That's amazing. I'll open this because you opened the box.
I'll help you.
Yeah, damn it.
Okay, we need double the epicness. Can you use the scissors?
Scissors help.
Okay, whatever. Really hard.
No, you don't want to cut it.
Yeah. Like, you can't cut it. It's like inside bubble wrap. Oh, there we go.
We're in. Okay. Now let me do it.
We out. Oh, yes. You can't get...
Babysitter's helping. Let's go.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, we're good.
Here we go. So, here it is.
Elgato.
See the package.
Ow. Dang it. That hurt my
Here we
finger.
go.
Okay.
Here it is. Elgato.
Okay, now we gotta finish.
Okay, I finished.
You finished. I didn't do anything. Just so you know. I can do this part.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, I'll finish opening this now.
I'll finish it. Okay, fine.
Okay, that was our first fight that you'll see out of many. Boom.
We probably won't fight on camera, but if we have like a rage fight, we'll upload it.
It's 3:30.
3:30?
Oh no way. That's the time there.
There you go. I got a time duplicator, so just look.
Time duplicator.
So
that Minecraft mod I told you on our first video, that was rescheduled to today. And this time I promise you guys. Ooh, wait, the wire come with it. Let's go.
Oh my god!
The wires come with it.
The best recorder I never thought I would be holding one of these things.
A sticker!
Yay!
Hey, you!
No, put it on my computer. Yeah, put it on my computer.
Yeah. Okay, we're just...
Sorry guys, we're putting a sticker on our computer.
We'll do that after. We'll do that after the recording. Okay.
Okay, so here it is. The Elgato. HD60.
Let's go.
This thing is massive. Huge. It's the size of my hand. And I'm 11.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of this unboxing here. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy this thing.
Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy watching
all of our
videos.
content with it.
Content.
Content.
Okay. Bye guys.
Bye guys.